Keep your crap nice and organized. Okay, so most YouTubers, they sell like t-shirts and random crap like that they get in China and screen print or whatever. I don't do that. What I do make, and things that you can buy if you want to support the channel, are some of these. And I've made a video like this in the past, but this is a little bit more in depth than the one that I've done in the past. And I have some new things. So these are die holders. Okay, so these are designed either for the Hornady lock and load dies, or the Lee, these are the Lee die bushings. They will hold either ones. I have them in black and red. I sell these in anywhere from just a single position die holder up to 5. I use the 4 ones mostly because I use the 4 Lee die sets. And this was a 2 position that I had. Most of these are actually like duds or factory seconds, like the backs didn't print perfectly, but honestly they look great here. So these ones are the pegboard mounts, which are super nice because they are level and it's super easy to put them on real fast. I do have these in screw mounts as well, and I use those at my other house. They work great. They are a little bit trickier because you do have to get a level them and make sure that they're going to look pretty on your wall. You can't just screw them in wherever. I do send them with the screws. I don't think I have any here to show you, but I do send them with the screws. A couple of other things that I do. This is an accessory holder for the Lee lock and load press. So it comes with 4 holes for the Allen wrenches. These are the 4 different Allen wrenches sizes that the Lee lock and load press uses. It holds your other powder charger. This is the rifle one. I have the pistol one in right now. And then it holds the factory kind of sleeves that come with your powder charge die, that guy. And then it also holds the other primer thingy that pushes the primer in. The other one's obviously in the press. And then it holds the this primer guy as well. I don't really know what those are called 100%. And I also have these in pegboard and screw mount as well. This is specifically for the for the Hornady lock and load press, not anything for Lee. And then I also have these guys. So these are meant to hold your tubes, your primer pickup tubes. So I have the large rifle and small rifle primer pickup tubes, and then I have the other outer casing tube that goes right there. So hence the 3, and then the 4th one I just leave in the press. So that holds 3. I could make it hold more if somebody really wanted that, but that's what I got for now. It goes in nice and quick, nice and simple, and that's how all these go in as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. One day I will get around to making a Shopify or Wix store, but it's gonna be like 2 years, guys, because I got like 2.5 kiddos and work at a startup, so life is crazy. So I don't have time for that crap right now. So anyway, for now it's all on eBay. I only have them posted for black. In the comments if you want it in a different color. If you want it in red, put it as well. If you want it in a different color, I may not have that color lying around, so it might take a little bit longer to ship. But I can always get it. Sometimes these things don't print very well. Like this guy right here did not print very well. Because I was working through it real quick. All these are 3D printed parts, by the way. Okay, the plastic currently, the ones that I have, has been sourced from the CCP, which is not great. I have looked into sourcing it from American-made companies. So in the future, it will all be done from American-made companies. But I want to use the plastic that I have right now. I don't want to throw that away. So it will be all American-made, even from American components, eventually. If they don't print very well, oftentimes I'll throw in an extra that didn't turn out kind of a factory second, because I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with it. I don't want to throw it away. If you can use it, I'll send you an extra one for free sometimes. Don't bank on it, but sometimes you get an extra. If there's any other additional tools that you would like if you're reloading, like, man, a little plastic tool to kind of help me with this would be great. Put it in the comment section below. Maybe I'll get around to modeling it up and stuff. Even for the Lee press, I don't have it, but I could probably figure it out. Anyways, as always, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.